Meaning of feature film.
Feature film.
Feature film.
Feature film.
Feature film. A feature film is a full-length motion picture that usually runs for more than 60 minutes. It is intended to be the main attraction of a movie theater or as a home entertainment release. Feature films are typically produced with large budgets and professional actors, directors, and crew. They aim to tell a complete story with complex character development and plotlines. These films are often showcased in cinemas and can be found on streaming services or sold as physical copies on DVD or Blu-ray.